And what's up, creators? Struggling to make your video more creative than ever. In this video, we will discuss about how to make a professional and animated video intro for YouTube that can stand out. So generally, there are 3 types of processes you can use, and in this video, we are going to compare 3 possibilities to create the intro, which includes first, through After Effects template, with online websites, and last but not the least, Fiverr. Let's understand these in details. You can make the best decisions. First, let's start with Buy After Effects template website. With After Effects, you have a wide range of possibilities. There's a good reason why some items are popular. So start by checking out the best sellers to find out some of the best After Effects templates around. Or even if you're tight on your budget, go check and you'll find something relevant. So browse this huge collection of the After Effects templates to find the right one that suits your project or your brand. Velosofy. Here you can get free templates from sites like Velosofy. But here you get a large number of free templates that can help you in your creative journey. But remember, here you will only get the project files which you have to download in your computer and then edit it with the compatible software. Though these templates are quite easy to use and just have added necessary changes according to your requirements. Another site is Videobolt.net. For another creative options available with Videobolt, here you can buy slides. Also, you can have the wide options of intros and outros to choose from. And everything is pretty professional. So you don't have to compromise with the quality. Videobolt is home to a massive selection of motion graphics and moving wallpapers to meet your project's unique needs. All are professionally made and flexible and designed to help you save the time. Another option is Envato Elements. This one is quite popular and branded one. Here you can get the unlimited short videos and templates for both the After Effects and Premiere Pro, which is huge. Manually, these templates may cost you quite high, somewhere between $40 to $50. But with Envato, you can get unlimited templates for $19 or even less a month. And you can customize the templates up right on the website, being able to add in text, change the fonts, change the colors, and in images. Really customize them for your quality or your brand and for the look and feel that you desire. The good part is it's also not just video intros, it's for the social media content with YouTube and cars, photo slideshows, and a lot more as well. Another option is motionarray.com. On Motionarray, you can take projects with unlimited asset downloads, exclusive plugins, video collaborations, and review tools, and a portfolio website builder, all in one membership. Here, you can also download every asset you need. When you need it, from video download and stock footage to photos, royalty-free music, and sound effects. As a paid member, you can use unlimited assets from our marketplace as many projects as you would like. Motionarray is all-in-one professional filmmakers platform. Next, use online website. Another method of creating a YouTube intro is to do it through online creation platforms like Onemaker, Renderforest, and Videobolt. So shorting it down, you can use top online website quality intro makers. This will not confuse with any software and tricks though. You don't need any technical knowledge even, and no need to spend lots of money. Let's start with Panzoid. Just like the other software, Panzoid is a creative software. You can access free templates from here. Also, just like an application, it has pre-built templates. You can customize the animation, shades, styles, and even the background and music of your project according to your desire. And once you're happy with your changes, you can download the stuff and use it anywhere you want. So remember, you like more standard themes and minimalization, you better opt for some other method. The Panzoid gives you more of a pop look, which can be suitable for gaming and animation channels. Another great option is Onemaker.io. Start by logging in, then go and simply start with finding the right templates. And the best part, edit and customize it with any size. It's crucial part, also where you have to apply your creativity. Next, you can simply render your video after your selection and use the easily customizable YouTube intros and creative scenes to create engaging videos just within a few minutes, and you can use it anywhere on social media. On Onemaker.io, you can find the most creative templates that can make your video more engaging and relevant. On Onemaker.io, you can choose the pricing monthly, annually, and even to the lifetime. Next comes Renderforest. It offers you some good branding services. You can find hundreds of video templates in various categories, and especially for your intros. You can find the animation and emotional videos. To use Renderforest templates without watermarks, you have to pay a certain amount. And that's a decent amount you can invest in your creation. Fair enough, right? Videobolt. If you want to create high quality animation for your video and stuff, this can be again a decent option for your videos. So, before paying for anything, just have a free trial and see if your creativity works with that platform or not. So Videobolt can create some standard and creative content for your videos. On Videobolt also you can get the access to get the basic plus unlimited plan for your annual or monthly options. You can simply choose what you want and what your budget allows. Last but not the least, Fiverr. One, you can use Fiverr unlike any other platform. You won't get any templates or pre-made intros here. But beyond that, you can outsource your work here. Right, the context is quite different. Do not forget to protect the payments every time you hire a new freelancer. Always know what you will pay upfront. Your payment isn't released until you approve the work. And there is no time for your services. You get 24/7 from Fiverr. If you have a question, you can go on the support side of the Fiverr and check out whatever the which freelancer works best for you. Here you get the quality work from all around the world. Also you can hire for in-house and even outsource work for a few time. Freelancer Facebook. First, just find the high quality services at every price point. Hourly rates, just project-based pricing. There are also quality work done quickly. The major task is to find out the right freelancer to begin with, working on your project within just minutes. So you can join the team group or similarly ask freelancers to get your work done. You can also get people from different expertise on these platforms, not only for the video, but even for the content writing and other projects. What I also think is that you might like to get a 2 months free subscription on Onemaker.io. On Onemaker.io, we are simply organizing a giveaway. To enter, all you have to do is like this video and leave a comment. And if you are a creator, musician, or a YouTuber, do not shy away from sharing your link in the comment below. I'm excited to see your creativity. And also mention which video you like the most. We will select 20 winners at Trend Up in 1 week. And do not forget to leave your Instagram or Facebook handles in the comments so we can connect with you in case you're in. With 2 months of free subscription, you can discover free music visualizer templates, low-host creatives, your slider shows, and create unlimited videos and download it too. Also, I think that you had enjoyed this video if you have made it this far. So do not forget to like this video and share it. Please come with a new topic and better videos for you. So you must be the first one to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.